Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a DNS probe finished no internet in Google Chrome. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Expand the network adapter section and right click on where Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers. Select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the correct driver and select next. After getting done, you just need to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on the internet you are using and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS server type 8844 and checkmark validate setting upon exit and click on OK to save changes. And now just close stuff here. After getting done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.